Hi friends, today I played chocos for my friends. I am going to give it. I think she is so happy to see it. Hi friends, see what I get for you.
Oh, this is chocos, but I don't like chocos. Please don't mind, dear friend.
Oh my god, what is going on? What I can do? I get the idea for my friends. I'll do some sweet for her. Wow, thank you so much for it.
It's so sweet and so yummy. Thank you.
Dear YouTube family, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Please keep watching our channel.